First, head to talent.famepic.com and log into your LinkFolio account. It will then pull up your dashboard. When here, click the Upgrade Gold button. This will bring you to your subscription page. Here you can choose which plan you'd like to upgrade to. In this case, I'm going to choose the $9.99 a month plan. Confirm. It will pull up a pop-up that has an apply coupon link. Click that link and type in the coupon code. In this case, it's APR 2022. It will then show you the discounted amount, which is $8.99, and the $1 charge that it will be going through. Proceed to checkout. Here is where you'll enter all your payment information and finish the upgrade process. Once you finish upgrading, go to K-Hub, which is our LinkFolio blog, and scroll down to LinkFolio Premium Features. Here is where you can check out everything that you get with LinkFolio Premium. You get auto brand outreach, you get 15 brand contacts per month, and you can click for the YouTube tutorial here. You get a full analytics suite delivered to your email every single week. You get monthly industry updates and access to 5,000 plus brand contacts. We also have a Collab Me feature that allows you to offer services to your audience. You can click for a YouTube tutorial here as well. Additionally, you can connect up to 5 social accounts: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, or Twitch. And lastly, for a bit of personalization, you can choose from 10 LinkFolio theme colors, and you can see them all in the link here. Upgrading to LinkFolio Premium gets you a lot as a content creator, and it's something that you won't regret.